Hello friends, I hope you all are doing good. In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix your overheating PC or laptop. First of all, right click on Start menu and head into Power Options. Here click on Additional Power Settings, Change Plan Settings, and then click on Change Advanced Power Settings. Scroll down and click on Processor Power Management, and then click on Maximum Processor State. Here, change on battery from 100% to 75%, and click on System Cooling Policy and change on battery from passive to active. Click on Apply and then OK. If System Cooling Policy is not shown, then open CMD, run it as administrator, and paste the command given in the description, and then click on OK. If this video helped you, I'll appreciate if you like and subscribe. If you have any issues, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you.